Sup guys, so in this video we shall look into reversing a given collection, in our case for now lists. Alright, so reversing means, now for example you have a list of, let us say 1, 2 and Python something, right? Unlike sorting, this list can be reversed and made it to print like Python 2 1. This is called reversing a collection, right? So for this we have two ways actually. So let's see the first way. Let us say B is equal to another list, and I will use a method called as a method of built-ins library called as reversed, alright, of A. But what will I get in B? I will get a reversed object. Alright, so to get a list from this reversed object, the best thing that we can do is I can pass this reversed function to a list function, which automatically converts the reversed object into a list like this. Alright, now there is one more way. This other way is called as using slicing operator. Alright, so we all know that this is a slicing operator, right, with columns in it. Yes, now using the same slicing operator, what I will do is I will say that I want the values from the beginning till the end, but with the step of -1. So from the beginning till the end with step of -1 means the beginning value, the start value will be by default -1, and the stop value will be default -n, because length of the list. Alright, now this will produce me the reversed collection of A. But neither of these functions or operators will affect the original list, which means both reversed function and even when you are using a slicing operator, they are creating or returning new objects in a ordered fashion. Alright, yes, apart from this we have another type of, let us say it's actually arranging the elements of a list in a descending order. For that, let us now create a list with some numbers. Alright, now I want the elements, these elements, to be ordered in a descending order, because if I say A is equal to B is equal to sorted of A, I would get the B list where the elements are ordered in ascending order. Instead, let us we can do it like B is equal to, let us first check the sorted method. What is the attribute in that? Help on sorted, reverse equal to false. Alright, so B is equal to sorted of A, comma, reverse equal to true I will write, which means I am telling the Python interpreter to first sort the elements of the list A, sort the elements of the list A first and reverse them, which means I need the elements of a list in a descending order. But even this does not actually modify your existing list A. Now if you want to get your list A itself modified with this new order, then you have a built-in method on A on the list. Okay, this method called as sort is not a part of your built-ins method, but is a built-in method of the list. Reverse equal to true. Now if I print A, I should get this. Did I? Yep. So this is about reversing and sorting in a descending order on list. And the same methods except the sort method applies even on immutable data structures like tuples or strings. All right. Thank you.